Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you are all well. I hope you've had a lovely weekend and you are ready for a new week of guided reading. This week we're going to be looking at a new book, but first let's remind ourselves of our reading strategies. You can use any of these to help you with your reading, but the ones I want you to focus on are your eagle eye and stretchy snake. Your eagle eye is when you look at the pictures in the book to help, and your stretchy snake is when you sound out the word slowly and you go back and say the sounds all together. Let's have a go at a stretchy snake of our own. Skates. Sk. 8. S. You have a go for me? Good job. Well done. Let's have a go all together. Skates. Sk. 8. S. Good job. Well done. The book we're going to be looking at this week is called The Ice Rink. So here is our book on Oxford Owl. Let's have a read. The Ice Rink. Wilf and Dad went to the ice rink. They put skates on. They went onto the ice. Hold my hand, said Dad. Wilf held Dad's hand. This is fun, said Wilf. Wilf let go of Dad's hand. He began to skate. Whoops! Wilf sat down with a bump. This ice is cold, said Wilf. Dad began to skate. He went round the rink. Look at me spin, said Dad. Look at me jump. Dad got some cold drinks. Look out, Dad, said Wilf. Oh no, a banana skin. Now that I finished reading, go all the way back to the beginning for me and have a go at reading it yourself. If you're struggling with some of the words, you can rewind the video and listen to me read it again. Or on Oxford Owl, you have the play button where they will read it for you. On this week's guided reading, we will be doing another word search. To access the word search, all you need to do is click the link that I'll put in your portfolio. When you click the link, it'll bring you to this page. You need to enter your name and press start. Once that has loaded, you'll need to press start again and find all the words down the side in your word search. Don't forget to send me a picture of your fantastic work.